I want to talk to you about hearing devices. So this is an IFB. See this thing? This is what I wear on television, live TV. So the director, see, it's molded. It goes in your ear. It's designed to fit in there and then into a little device where the director can talk to you while you're on the air live. But years ago, Damon and I, Mark and Barbara, there's never been four sharks together, ever, for speaking in. But we did it for a company called Starkey. I've never been in a room that large. It was in Las Vegas. There had to be like 9,000 people in the room. But we did kind of like a mock Shark Tank for them. And I don't think we've ever done it again. It was the first time I met the company. What does the company do? Well, hearing aids, except I wouldn't call them hearing aids anymore. I would call them hearing devices or something because they do so much more. Anyways, years go by and I get a call from Damon one day in New York saying, hey, listen, have you checked out these Starkey devices? And I said, no. He said, well, I'll get you hooked up. Meet me at Casa Cipriani's. We were in New York. I met with Damon. He showed me these. These are the top of the line. These are the Cadillacs. Now, some people have hearing problems. Others just want to use devices to enhance hearing or use the tech now. It connects to your phone to actually tune the room. All kinds of things, reduce noise. They kind of slip behind your ear and you plug them in like this. The whole room just lights up. Now, I have a bum left ear. My right ear is okay, but the left ear is just too much rock and roll. I mean, that's just amazing. Obviously, you can't hear it, but I'm telling you, it's amazing. The whole room just lights up, and it gives you this kind of spatial thing. And then the app on your phone can actually tune the room with the software. Decide whether you want to be optimized for voice, reduce noise. There's no Bluetooth in this, so it's not talking to your phone, but it's really small and does a great job. These are cool. But I said, what do you got that I can wear while I have the IFB in my ear? So in this ear, because on TV, you can't see, you don't want to see the device. These are the ones that I really, really like. Now, these are called AI-CIC. These have full Bluetooth capability. What does that mean? So let's say I've got the IFB in my ear for TV, and I stick this one in the other ear. This is now talking to my phone. It's listening to my phone. It's reading me my messages live. Every time a text comes in, it's talking to me. Wait, it gets crazier. It can actually translate too. The AI tech in this stuff is absolutely incredible. And I can fine tune it with the software. Say, okay, analyzing the environment, I want enhanced speech. And then boom, it analyzes the room. And now all of a sudden it prioritizes speech. How cool is that? Then I found something else that really pissed me off. Had these, which are a great color, but then I found out Damon had red ones, which drove me out of my friggin' mind. He can't have red. I'm the red dude. I got the red bands on the watches. I got the red poof. I'm all about red. Look, I got the red glasses. Check it out. What's Damon doing with red? So thank goodness Starkey hooked me up with red. Check those puppies. If you're doing a lot of Zoom calls, because they hook right up to your computer, they're absolutely amazing. You stick them on the back of your ear, and then you just plug them in, and then you go Bluetooth completely, and you have this fantastic, really easy to use talking with anything like a Zoom or whatever video software you're using. You can also hear your phone at the same time, text messages coming in. Now, these are not really hearing aids anymore. They're kind of AI. But by the way, no, I don't own the company. No, I'm not a paid spokesperson. I just know a really great product when I see one. And David and I are totally wired into these things. Now I've got the red. So you got your 3 different devices. You got the tiny ones. This tech is really cool. So anyways, Damon, don't even wear your reds anymore. I'm the red guy from now on, all right? And go to starkey.com if you want to learn more. Starkey. Incredible tech. I mean, I got to hand it to them. I just love great products. What can I say? Take care, my friends. I can hear you.